Um, Unlike most of the other projects that take us to the future, we are taking you back to the past, to the arcade circa 1990s, with our homemade claw crane game. Rather than before doing the explanations, I think I'm just gonna play it, show how it works. So basically, we have it moving, and this can go in this way as well. And then once you think you've got it, just press the button and it goes down.
Wow.
The rest is manual. You have to take it out yourself. And that's pretty much the basic rundown of how the game goes.
Due to time constraints, we got it mechanically working, like it's not automatic. But if we had more time, we would do that. We were also considering if we had more time, sort of like a coin slot to activate the game on. And after you press the hook, it would automate and turn off.
They could have made lots of money.
A lot of the challenge in this project was the mechanical aspect, building it, because we didn't do 3D printing or anything. We used all the resources that we had in the shop and the tools in the lab, and we came up with this. We built the inner part first, and then afterwards we discovered zip ties work really well too.
You can tell the Renaissance Kurt, like we built the outside frame, and then we built this frame, and then this part, trying to get it to keep the motor suspended so it doesn't fall off. And then we discovered that we could just do it with zip ties, and like
it took half the time.
it's like a revolution in terms of actually building the project.
So if we have actually a candy if anyone wants to try it.
if you get the prize, you get the prize. So if anybody wants to volunteer and just give it a whirl, anybody's welcome.
Go for it.
Sounds.
Let's see. Oh.
We use the IR sensor to determine the position of the crane as it goes down and up, so that we could automate it. If we were to automate it further, we would probably incorporate more sensors to determine the position of the claw.
Oh, I missed.
By the way, those other two are glued down.
Are they really?
No.
Oh, okay. I got you. Okay. It should work now. Hopefully.
Yeah. Try again next time. Better luck next time.
Oh, it actually is candy. Thank you.
The real ones.
Yeah, we started with kind of like the basic framework of having it work manually. Initially, like we have this motor and this motor, like the two movement axes hooked up to one Arduino. So and then we have the keypad that controls it, goes like forward and backward and left and right. And we also have the second part, which is another stepper motor that winds up the string where this hangs on. So the other Arduino controls it going down and up. And initially, we had a hook up and down. So up and down were initially manual. You have to like kind of like measure like how far do you need to go before you hook it. But we ended up using the sensor to kind of automatically determine like how low it has to go. So we kind of measured like, oh, most of the we decided that the prices are going to be like these blocks. So we kind of measured how low it has to go, and kind of like it goes down to the same height every time, just scoops it up. Kind of makes it a little bit easy, I think. When we initially tried it with the manual, it was a lot harder. But I think that was a good touch. Gives a little bit more consistency to the way the project works.